stars are dying. If I am dead, as dead I may well be, you'll come and find a place where I am lying, and kneel and say an Ave there for me, and I shall hear how soft you tread above me, and all my grave shall warmer and sweeter be, if you will bend and tell me that you love me, then I will sleep in peace until you come to me.
If you don't give me kisses, I won't smile. I won't frown.
You are frowning. Don't smile.
But Mommy, I really want a cupcake.
You ate one.
But I want another one.
You have chocolate up your nose.
Mommy, look at me. Me.
Chocolate on your forehead.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Okay.
How old are you?
2.
2?
Hmm?
What does a lion say?
Wow.
What does the doggy say?
No.
Shh. What does the kitty cat say? What does an elephant say?
I can do it.
Can't do it.
Yeah,
Okay,
me.
Finian, who's your sister?
Me. No.
Who is she?
Kaka.
Who's your brother?
Orange.
Do you have a pet?
Yeah.
What's your pet's name? What's the ferret's name?
No, Pippi.
Can you say Pippi?
Pippi.
Pippi? Hi, what's your name?
Annika Daisy.
How old are you? What's your favorite color?
Pink.
What's your favorite animal?
Zebra.
What does a zebra say?
I don't know.
What about an elephant? What does an elephant say? That's a good one. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Princess.
Oh. Do you have a brother? What are your brothers' names?
Finian and Arnon.
Do you have a mommy and a daddy? What does daddy do?
He walks
Where?
in Afghanistan.
In Afghanistan? Sometimes, huh? Is he a soldier? What does mommy do?
They here with her children.
What does she do when she's here?
She cleans up stuff.
What else?
She takes a nap.
Takes a nap.
When Finian, when it's time for Finian to take a nap.
What do
When
you
we get snack.
What do you like to do?
I like to go swimming.
Do you like to eat? What's your favorite food?
Ramen noodles.
What else?
Potatoes.
Are you being shy?
Mystery map.
Okay. Can you wink for me? Hi, what's your name?
Anand. Anand. David Seifert.
How old are you?
6.
What's your favorite color?
Black.
Black, huh? What's your favorite animal?
A crocodile and a shark.
What does a crocodile do? What does a shark do? Wow. Do you go to school?
Yeah. That's homeschool.
What do you like about school?
I like math.
Yeah. Do you have a sister?
Yeah.
Who's your sister?
Anka.
Do you have a brother?
Yeah.
Who's your brother?
Finian.
Do you have a pet?
Yes.
Who's your pet?
Pippi.
What is Pippi?
She's a girl.
What kind of animal is she?
A ferret.
Oh. What do you want to be when you grow up?
A spy.
A spy. What do spies do?
They help people.
They do?
Yes.
How do they help people?
They help people getting stuff what bad guys get.
Oh.
They have spy stuff.
Cool. What do you like to do?
I like to pretend I'm a spy.
What else do you like to do?
Nothing.
Do you like to eat?
Yeah.
What do you like to eat?
Tacos.
Oh.